Hi, Saspreneurs. Welcome to day 19 of our 30-day high-level mastery challenge, where we look at one simple actionable insight to implement in your business straight away and see some traction. So today we are going to discuss something really, really crucial, mostly for introvert entrepreneurs. So I don't know if I'm introvertedly extrovert or extrovertedly introvert. I don't know. I am still figuring out. I used to be a very, very not so loud, but chatterbox. I used to be very, very chatty and my energy was very different. But now I don't know what changed, but I've got a very, very calm aura now. And I am not the loudest in the room for the past, God knows, 5 years or more. And I listen more than I speak, which is a very, very good quality. That's why we've got 2 ears and one mouth. And the Sarsaparilla Sydney was another eye-opening experience for me to understand the quietest in the room of probably 200 plus people were the co-founders. The most humble, beautiful humans in the room were the co-founders. And the people that you see that scream loud, that talk a lot to gain attention are filled with insecurities. They have the need to prove to the world that they are somebody, that they needed that validation. It was so loud and clear that it was coming from a place of insecurity. It was coming from a place of seeking validation. All right. So today it's a reminder from me to you. You do not have to be the loudest in the room to succeed. So my LinkedIn friend, Magnus, mentioned to me that my LinkedIn profile has quiet dominance. So I use this in my stage speech, and I'm going to say this again because I see few people on Facebook just post nonstop, and it annoys the heck out of me. Like whatever they think, their brain is so random and they post some random stuff. I'm not that person. Most of them are not that person, especially in Australia, right? So, but I still post. When I do post, it actually anchors either my authority in my niche, what I do. It talks about my work. So she said that, and when I noticed it, that's right. I just don't post unnecessarily. I just don't post just because I have to. But when I do post, it has meaning. What contribution I do to the community, what contribution do I do to my clients, whatever wins they have, whatever I've achieved. So you don't have to be the loudest in the room today. You can still have a quiet dominance that's filled with impact and thought leadership that'll help you to improve your personal branding and get more clients. So I want you to pick a platform and be consistent with it and show up in a way that aligns with you. You don't have to do it just because the algorithm wants you to do it. You don't have to do it because that's what'll make you trending. If that's your goal, go for it. But most of them in the agency world, in the SaaSpreneur world, are not that silly and stupid to throw clothes and do something stupid and just because the algorithm wants you to. So you can still embrace your own style. You can still embrace your own energy and aura and style and do things the way you want. All right. So pick your platform, pick your style, show up consistent in the most authentic, beautiful way that you can, and just keep growing your business. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow.